If you want adorable, meet our good friend Lulu. Her impound number is 440-4494. And Lulu is an incredibly sweet, probably 3-month-old and maybe a little bit less, female pit bull who came into the Downey Animal Care Center as a stray from Huntington Park on March 12th. Right now she weighs 11 pounds, but enjoy that while it lasts because she's going to probably shoot up to about 35 pounds. Now, she's got some pit bull in her, but she probably has some shepherd as well. But she's totally adorable, incredibly cuddly. She's very playful with other dogs. And she's still at that young age where she goes from 0 to 60 to 0. So she'll fall asleep in your arms in 1 second and be off playing in another. Just an incredibly sweet girl who's going to make a sensational indoor family pet for an active family living in a private home. This is Lulu, full of kisses, straight from the Downey Animal Care Center. So please come and get her.